This is the Magnolia floor plan from Bloomfield Homes. The Magnolia is part of our Classic series with 4 to 6 bedrooms and over 3,100 to nearly 3,800 square feet. There are several different elevations of this 2-story home, allowing you to personalize both the interior and exterior. This even includes options for a front balcony, and on some designs, a rear balcony. As you make your way into the kitchen and family room, you immediately notice all the natural light thanks to the extra windows that are standard with a Bloomfield home. The kitchen island is open to the family room. An optional corner fireplace is great for winter evenings. Take advantage of the convenient storage from a walk-in pantry, buffet, and all of the cabinet space. And there's room for everyone to gather in the breakfast nook with optional built-in window seating. From here, you can access the covered patio with an option to make it even bigger. The primary suite offers a wall of windows with a window seat. The primary bath features separate vanities and granite countertops standard throughout the house, as well as a garden tub and shower with ceramic tile on the floor and walls, with an option to make it even larger. And then you have a spacious walk-in closet. There are so many options to choose from when it comes to personalizing the Magnolia. Our design centers are critical to the Bloomfield process, which allows you to personalize your home to fit your needs. As you head upstairs, the Magnolia has several configurations. Choose from 3 to 4 bedrooms with an option for up to 2 more bathrooms. There's a spacious game room, and you can also add a separate media room. The Magnolia offers you maximum flexibility at an incredible value, so you can personalize it to fit your needs. Come see the Magnolia and experience the difference with Bloomfield Homes.